Pay attention to detail. Don't let the 3D software determine your art. When you work with a 3D software, some special effects may be very attractive and become an easy generator of shapes, colors and movements. That can make you lazy, weaken your creativity and standardize your work to the level of many others who use the same or similar effects. Why I'm telling you to pay attention to details? Because details make the difference. Details make a big difference just like in everyday life. Take a couple of hours and look at the works of the greatest artists of the past and of today. If you can spare more time, watch some documentaries that reveal their creative process, and you will find that most of them are indeed obsessed with details. The strength of creativity mediated by the attention to details. During my course, How to Use Blender to Become a 3D Visual Artist, I will come back to this concept many times with examples and possible solutions to achieve just that. Blender is a powerful tool and you need to know how to tame it. Hey guys, I am Massimo Cozzi from AIDA Communication. I'm an expert in communication, video editing, TV producing and 3D modeling. Click on this link below to let me know you're interested, and I will make sure to tell you when the course starts. Have the best 3D.